Right, organic foods. Now, it's not 100% that we need to have organic foods in our diet, but we know the impact on the environment with pesticides. But we want to focus on your nutrition and building up your energy. And one of the things that we do know with excessive farming now is that the soil types are being depleted. And along my journey, doing what I do, I did study to grow food on an organic farm. And then I helped people to start growing their own as well and got involved in food projects. So I know about the importance of the food, nutrition, and soil type so that we're getting enough of our minerals and vitamins in our diet. But it's not always possible, and at times it can be pretty expensive. But here are a few tips to help you to save yourself a packet. And that is things like onions, which have layers. Yes, they're sprayed with pesticides, but because of the layering, we can be kind of rest assured that it's not going to absorb as much of the pesticides, if any. And then we've got our thick-skinned fruits and vegetables like our squashes, our pineapple, bananas and avocado. Anything that's got a thick outer layer, you can kind of, trust that that's not going to really affect you as much and save some money on those type of foods. Now, the things that you do need to watch out for are things like oats, because oats are dried and then sprayed so that they're not developing molds. So if you go organic on oats, you're doing a lot better because you will get more of the pesticides. And potatoes tend to have they're what they call the one of the dirty dozen when it comes to pesticides. Now, you have the organic farmers markets around London. There are 50 of them that you can visit, and you may find that there's one in your own region. The other thing that I would avoid are non-organic strawberries. Because of the little pores, they tend to suck a lot of the pesticides into the flesh, and soft fruits in general anyway. But I mean, I tend to get the frozen fruit bags from Lidl, and what I've noticed is that they're the original size fruits, so they're not grown to excessive amounts to make them bigger and juicier. And I trust those more than if I was to try and purchase the store shop bought fresh ones. So those are some things that you can watch out for with organic food, because a lot of our food is now depleted in the nutrients, and we want to make sure that you're getting a great balance. So I'll put a write-up about the type of organic foods. I'll even put a link to the farmers markets if you're not already aware of where they're situated in London.